Hello everyone! Is your car's cooling fan running at full speed or not turning off at all? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0693 cooling fan 2 control circuit high, it means the cooling fan circuit is receiving too much voltage, causing continuous operation or electrical failures. In this video, I'll explain what P0693 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0693? The P0693 trouble code stands for Cooling Fan 2 Control Circuit High. This means that the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, has detected excessive voltage in the circuit controlling the secondary cooling fan. This can lead to the fan running non-stop, increased battery drain, or potential overheating issues. If left unresolved, this could cause engine temperature fluctuations and even damage to the electrical system. Common symptoms of P0693: check engine light on, cooling fan running constantly at full speed, loud fan noise even when the engine is off, battery draining faster than normal, engine running cooler or taking longer to warm up. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0693, check these important components. Cooling fan 2, relay, location. Inside the engine bay, fuse or relay box, near the radiator or battery. Function: controls power to the secondary cooling fan motor. Secondary cooling fan motor. Location: attached to the radiator, either in front or behind it. Function: works alongside the primary fan to help maintain proper engine cooling. Cooling fan control module, if equipped. Location: near the radiator or integrated with the fan assembly. Function: regulates fan speed based on temperature data from the PCM. Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. Location: mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or in the engine bay. Function: monitors and controls the cooling fan operation based on engine temperature. Cooling fan circuit wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the relay, fan motor, PCM, and battery. Function: carries power and control signals. Short circuits can cause high voltage issues. Common causes of P0693: faulty cooling fan relay. A stuck relay can cause continuous high-speed fan operation. Short circuit in wiring. Damaged or exposed wires can send excessive voltage to the fan circuit. Malfunctioning cooling fan motor. If the fan motor is defective, it may run continuously. Defective cooling fan control module, if equipped. A failing module may send too much voltage. PCM software or hardware issues. The PCM may be incorrectly regulating fan speed. How to fix P0693. Step 1. Inspect and replace the cooling fan relay. Swap it with a working relay to test. Step 2. Check the cooling fan motor. Use a multimeter to measure voltage and confirm correct operation. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, corroded, or shorted wires. Step 4. Test the cooling fan control module if equipped. Ensure it's not sending excessive voltage. Step 5. Check PCM signals. Verify the PCM is correctly regulating fan operation. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Final words: ignoring P0693 can lead to battery drain, electrical overload, and cooling system failure. Fixing it early will keep your car running efficiently and prevent costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0638, throttle actuator control range performance. P0639, throttle actuator control circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.